about 50 to 55 seats. You have earlier said that, in any way, the harmful elements, which in fact the party chief, Kishorji said, the harmful elements which are not in sync with the grain of Tripura would not be allowed to take advantage of the, disunity among different parties. So in this regard, different candidates you consider from TCF, will there be any kind of understanding with people who are in sync with the grain of Pressmeet?
No, as you said, since it was uttered by our Supremo, his words stand. But in analyzing, if we find that the members of the TCS should be given priority, definitely we give priority.
But since you speak two languages, so what is the message that you give from this particular press conference, and when the probable list is coming, and how many seats Motha is planning to contest from this assembly?
Now, as I have already told, that 50 to 55 seats we are contemplating to contest. And definitely, before formation of TCF, we would not have taken this decision. After formation of TCF now, we find that a lot of people are joining, lot of citizens are joining with Tipra Motha. So definitely, what does it mean? It does mean that other than the indigenous people of Tripura, even others are also supporting our demand, Greater Tripura Land. So they are supporting Greater Tripura Land. It means that it has transcended across the communities, not only our community, but also the people who are talking about this, that it is only supported by the indigenous people. It is no longer supports of the indigenous people. It is support from all sections of the people right now.
So, like that the Congress and the CPM and the Alliance talks today, the Congress State President Mr. Bijil Sinha said that his party, the Congress Party, has got support and sympathy for the cause of the Tipra Motha Party, and he also said that during his talks with the Tipra Motha chief, he was assured that the Tipra Motha also has sympathy for Congress. The CPM State Secretary Mr. Jitin Chaudhary also said repeatedly that he has got strong hopes that Mr. Pradyut Kishore will act in welfare of the state and would think about either supporting the opposition alliance or looking in a better, best possible way. That's what he said. What would you say on that?
That is no, it is.
One thing very shortly. Our Bobagra is coming.
No,
Bobagra will reply.
Let me just respond. Bobagra has already said, even from Guwahati, that if all other parties who are supporting our demand, core demand, let them also give us writing that they also support this particular demand. Then we'll understand that they really support. Otherwise, orally supporting a demand sounds good, but if they're giving us in writing, that will be welcome.
But what we understand from Mr. Pradyut Kishore's videos, because we could not speak with him, is that he said what you are giving. He has not categorically said that the support has to be Greater Tripura Land. If we carefully hear, he said on our demand is Greater Tripura Land, but for the development of the indigenous people and for their constitutional and what you will support
constitutional solution.
Solution you have, you give us on written on that. Is it a fact?
No, to my understanding, if I could correctly remember what he said that whatever we are demanding for should also be supported by them in writing. That's what the spirit of this statement.
But someone may say that we can develop that indigenous people through direct funding to the IDC or more power to the IDC. They may give in that form also. So right now, the issue is not about direct funding. Right now, the issue is not development. We don't say that we don't require development, but looking at the scenario for the last 73 years,
we are committed to, adhere to the core demand that we are now, striving for.
Separate state.
Separate.
So regarding the issue of Greater Tipra, like you mentioned that you have not received any written assurance from any other party.
Yes.
So have you received any written proposal of any other sort from any other party?
No.
Which party did you talk till now, and what is the minimum commitment they have given?
No, nothing. No minimum commitment, no minimum word.
And sir, we saw that there was a recent meeting of Mr. Rankul was also there, Jagdishda also I believe was there in Guwahati with.
No, let them. If
No,
they
I'm
are-
saying that of BJP ally IPFT,
Okay.
the remaining part of IPFT, because we can find other IPFT leaders are already with Motha. In that case, what is the development in that?
Now we don't reject the idea of being together in unity. So definitely, if the rest of the portion of IPFT also join with us, they are welcome.
But already you had talks. What is the development of that talks? I'm saying?
Talks is, when you talk about discussion is always, it is in the
It
process.
is on process,
Yeah.
It's on.
still on process.
So that's it.
The discussions were initiated by Mr. Pradyut Kishorji.
Yes, yes.
And they have responded. So
Responded.
how has their response been so far? Are you satisfied with the progress?
No. Okay.
Yeah.
Only
We'd like to comment audio development.
Day before yesterday's night,
Prem Kumar.
Prem Kumar.
Prem Kumar and 3 others came. They met and they met our chairman. And according to them, they were very cordial. Our side also, we were present. We welcomed them. We congratulated them also. Then finally, they had faced one pressman also. He came and he asked details. And they said, let us have some time so that we can approach to other members of IPFT, or those who are still outside of them at the very point of time in Guwahati. So they will come to state and they will meet other colleagues, those are still available. Then they will sit together and they will convey the message to our chairman, Maharaj Pradyutji, and they are trying, not will, but they are trying so that they come together one time to join Tipra Motha. That is what we have learned from them. And regarding our meeting with other leaders of other parties in the state, we have no record of it. But we still send message that we want that we should come together so that we can replace the present regime, those who have become very familiar. They are no more familiar with the people. So we have appealed others also. And many have responded to our appeal, especially from towns and outskirts, the minority communities, those who have started their talking with us, if they can become also strong segment of the population, especially the minority Muslim and from scheduled caste also, and Manipuris and religious minorities also. They have all started coming and talking to us so that we can make some alternative state government also. And regarding that issue, it is on process. We cannot just scale it that this much, that much is with us. But we still open our heart and mind and our talking also with them. It continues now because in politics, we have to enter to certain area where we can have good understanding with the people. That is growing on, that is on the process. Now, what we have been talking with ruling party, I will ask our senior leader, Mr. Jagadish Verma, which we held in Guwahati. So that part is still untold. It's not secret, it is open, but we are yet to take it out and take it to the press also, so that no misunderstanding, no speculation wrongly can be arrived at any places. We are very free. We don't conceal anything, because by concealing nothing will achieve. So we are very, very open to our every step, because our chairman, Honorable Pradut Kishore Maliko, had also advised. He also been advised by others, by senior and junior, mixed population and mixed ages people in our midst. We want that he should be also guided. We should be all guided together, so that we can work actively and with strong mandate we have given to the people, so that people will like to know it. And we are, on the other hand, we are responsible, and we cannot be escaped from any mistakes wheresoever, whenever we commit it. So we are answerable. Therefore, we want to reveal everything true, the truth. So now I will ask Jagadish Devarma to brief about our meeting with Chief Minister Assam and 2 other BJP leaders, and that talk we will take it up.
No need to say again. All
Bangla,
그저 구조기 정한 바가 있어. 차이는 양. BJP로 আমন্ত্রণ খাই কক সালানি হামে not for seat sharing 지니 core demand 너트이 꼭 사라져 상각해. 정 커럭부리 프레젠트 거 무바그라 꼭 사고 저는 꼭 살아요. 지니 가셔는 꼭 정로 리턴 포모 군의 에슈런스리아 그러니까 정 장마야 버럭 성과는 일단 뭐 core demand clear cut greater Tipralen or Tipralen. 그러니까 뭐로 BJP로 아부노 유나니 바 아부노 고시마야 한까이 정부 클리어는 사까 까이 너를 왜 꾸는 꼭 사는 거 같이 그래 아치지 꼭 불
뭐래 어느 꾸루 베레 베도카 엄하냐디
어느 꾸는 베도카
사랑들 IPFT 베담을 살아가노
IPFT 베꼭 살아보니 따보 프로세스 쫄리던 거 버럭 고하티오 사마니 아고톨라오 파이 Bongli Tasha members with Cox Salai, Agile Decision Nalai, Clear Kokunka, Chini Mothani, Chairman Nikov, IPFT, Norok Nomi organization, dissolve Pai, Tipra Motha Paji, Tabubo, Cox Hamani Soyako, Goboro, Agotlo Cox Salai, Chuno Sahonako. Okay, Bubagra Kanasoni, Akino, Jotto Bubagran Tanino. Clear Monday.
Kaisa media, national media, Kaisa Hamatongo, Prem Komariang Bosaka, Boagra Bosaka, Jabo Kancangin to Ungan Unito, Hangmani Gas, Second Saka. Abroti, no Gayan I have, but last decision of Nana.
Just initial stage of the Salaimani, Amon Yagulo, press conference Kachak, the process is on, process Changjaka. Ngay tabu final process oro semne agar tolabu. Ngay borok salai akoi thaying sama hainan sini honorable chairman sama hainan salai akoi borok oro convent lainnya. Abun sagan ke sungu tay saiman ya sung tabu geroti osuk geroti.
Tabu borok tamu season to na bong
sakawa.
No, the press release o Saka, the cable by LNC. Officially, the Nutkari can now, you need to put a cable LNC in order proposal like an organize for it.
Officially,
nung ok barbar sungitong written form kebo assurance jodi greater Tipraland na hingaba chini namen to greater Tipraland chubli chung politics kamani power ni politics ya chini total tabuk Tiprasarok thanchangi khanangi yogna ni bagi chung sanmani greater Tipraland na hingakai Kamungi sing understanding thangmayang na ba
Abuno ango the owen Cox Hamake press release Cox Hamake nomination 3 starik jora. No kuno bound totong the greater Tipran Borona Hishaka, Abu Olobo Simon Black, Aprupan of Gosinaje, Ulo election the Porepano.
Nung tele press release kamklip मुया खोता प्रेस रिलीज साइडी खाबले जे जों ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लेण्ड जदि करि हेकै इन अंडर नो सर्कमस्टेंसेस के बाय अलायंस गानो ngabai tung kok
जों प्रेस रिलिज जाखांनो
kok sebedia
बुको yang प्रेस रिलिज
Harus bisa kabogo.
rujak khabo
आं किसब कुजुगु चंगो सरिसि
আচ্ছা শুনেন বাংলা ভাষা আংসাওনো বাংলা ভাষা খুব সুন্দর না হইলেও ব্রোকেন ভাবে আমি কইলেও অসুবিধা হইতো না তো না এখন
Dada, you mix English and Bengali, it won't be a problem.
এখন আমরা যেটা বুঝলাম যে গুয়াহাটি গেছি আমরা এখানে বিভিন্নভাবে আলোচনা হয় আমাদের একটাই এখানে সাবমিশন ওই বিজেপি নেতৃত্বের কাছে যে আমরা তো কোনো পার্টির কিংবা কোনো পদ কিংবা কোনো এলাইন এইভাবে আমরা বলতে আসছি না আমরা চাই যদি কোনো সরকার পার্টি না কোনো সরকার যদি আমাদের দাবিকে একটা কনসিডার করার আলোচনা খুলতে পারে আমরা নিশ্চয়ই আপনাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলবো কিন্তু যদি কোনো রকম পয়েন্ট না থাকে কনস্টিটিউশনাল সাংবিধানিক কোনো পয়েন্ট যদি না থাকে এখানে আমরা কথা বলার আমাদের কোনো স্কোপ নাই জনসাধারণের কাছে আমরা এটা দায়িত্ব গ্রহণ যে আমাদের গ্রেটার ট্রিপল লাইনের যে আইডিওলজিটা এটার জবাব কেমনে দিব আমরা কাজেই আমাদের জবাব হইতেছে যে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার যদি অন পেপারে বলে যে এটা আমরা আলোচনা করব তখন আমরা আলোচনা আবার নামতে পারি পলিটিক্স তো এখনই শেষ কালকা শেষ হয়ে গেছে এরকম নাই তো যদি কোনো জায়গা খোলার কিংবা রিওপেনের কোনো রকম প্রস্তাব আসে তো আমরা মানুষ তো আমাদের একটা জায়গাতেই থাকতে হবে এটা তো আমরাও জানি কাজেই আমাদের কাছে কোনো রকম লিখিত এবং অ্যাসুরেন্স এরকম আমরা পাইনি কোনো পার্টির কাছে যার জন্য এখন আমরা আপনাদের সম্মুখে এটা করব না এটা আমরা বলতে পারি না ভবিষ্যতের কথা তো আমরা কেমনে বলবো যদি এখন প্রাইম মিনিস্টার কিংবা হোম মিনিস্টার অফিস থেকে যদি বলে আমরা আলোচনা করতে চাই বেসড অন গ্রেটার ট্রিপুরা ল্যান্ড আমরা তো নিশ্চয়ই আলোচনা করবো এমনি সব ইলেকশন হোক ইলেকশনের পরে হোক ইলেকশনের আগে হোক কিন্তু ইলেকশনের আগে আমাদের প্রস্তুতি নেওয়ার কারণ হচ্ছে যে আমরা বন্দী জনসাধারণের কাছে আমরা বন্দী এই যে এই ইস্যু নিয়ে মানুষ ত্রিপুরা মথাকে সাপোর্ট করে এটা অল সেকশন অফ দ্য পিপল মুসলিম হোক বুদ্ধিস্ট হোক খ্রিস্টিয়ান হোক হিন্দু হোক মাইনরিটি বিভিন্ন সম্প্রদায় তারা সবাই কম বেশি তারা আমাদেরকে সহযোগিতা দিতেছে হ্যাঁ যদি গ্রেটার ত্রিপুরা ল্যান্ড একটা স্টেট উইদিন স্টেট যদি হয় আমাদের অনেক রকম বেনিফিট আমরা লোকের কাছে দিতে পারবো নিয়ারেস্ট ইভেন অ্যাট দ্য ডোর অফ দ্য ফ্যামিলি এখন তো 1 কিলোমিটারকে 100 কিলোমিটারের মতন আমাদের দূরত্ব সরকারের অফিস থেকে যে কোনো ফ্যাসিলিটিস পুষতে অনেক দিন লাগে কিন্তু যখন আমাদের কাছে এই সুযোগটা আসবে আমরা তো সবসময় ওনাদেরকে বলছি যে লেজিসলেটিভ বডি ছাড়া কোনো রকম আমরা প্রস্তাব আমরা গ্রহণ করতে পারবো না কোনো ইস্যু কোনো বডি অফ দ্য কনস্টিটিউশন যদি অটোনোমাস বডি হোক অটোনোমাস স্টেটই হোক ইউনাইটেড স্টেটই হোক যে কোনো একটা নোমেনক্লেচারই হোক আমরা চাই এখানে লেজিসলেটিভ পাওয়ার থাকতে হবে লেজিসলেটিভ বডি থাকতে হবে এইগুলিতে আমরা মানবো যেহেতু এটা তো ত্রিপুরার বাইরে কিংবা ভারতের বাইরে থাকবে না এইগুলিতে উইদিন স্টেট উইদিন নেশন কিন্তু আমাদের বিভিন্ন যে আনএমপ্লয়মেন্ট আছে আনএমপ্লয়েড আছে এইগুলিকেও আমরা অবজার্ভ করতে পারবো এবং কোনো একটা এক্সটেন্ডে এইগুলি আমাদের জনমিশ্রিত পপুলেশনের মধ্যে এই সুবিধাটা আরও আসবে এটাই আমাদের ভাষণ এবং ভাষণ মানে আমাদের বক্তব্য
How will benefit if you create separate state? For example, ত্রিপুরাতে এখন আমরা 40 লাখ পপুলেশন আছে আমাদের বাজেট কত পাই ফর এক্সাম্পল 20,000 কোটি পাই যদি আমরা দুইটা স্টেট হয়ে যায় একটা স্টেট দুইটা ভাগ হয়ে তো দুইটা স্টেট হয়ে যায় আমরা ডাবল বেনিফিট হবে ডাবল বাজেট পাবো পপুলেশন বাড়ছে না পপুলেশন ধরুন 40 লাখ এদিকে 20 লাখ এদিকে 20 লাখ কিন্তু আমার বাজেট ডাবল হয়ে যাবে সো হু উইল বেনিফিট both communities will benefit. This also will benefit, that will benefit. Because population remains same. So if you create separate state, within the state, all people will benefit. Economy and will develop very fast. Because budget will be double. For example, Tipra amara koto budget pai minimum. Arunachal Pradesh, they got double budget. We are getting around, for example, 25,000 crore. They are getting more than 35 crore. But population is very less.
35,000 crore, not 30.
35,000 crore. 35,000 crore, Arunachal Pradesh they get. But their population only 13, 14 lakhs. We got only 25 crore, 1,000 crore. But our population is nearly 40 lakhs. So the benefit which I am telling is, if we get two states, if we can form new state, then our people will benefit. Because our population remain the same, but budget will be double. So everybody will benefit.
ক্লিয়ার রং না বলেছেন মোটামুটি আমরা পরিষ্কার হইলাম আপনাদের কাছে ধন্যবাদ থ্যাংক ইউ
Go, 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 Gayab!